to dance tango as a beginner. Hi guys, my name is Ryan and this is my dance partner Beth and we are Zienna Studio. Let's get into it. All right, starting with the tango basic. It consists of 5 steps. Now, if you've seen our other videos before, you know the golden rule. And that golden rule is left foot forward and right foot back when it comes down to starting the first step. Now, how do we start? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start side by side and we're gonna start with the leader steps first. Now leaders, you have 5 steps in total, starting with the left foot forward. So we're gonna go left foot, right foot, forward, side, together. Okay, we're gonna do that one more time and then we're gonna turn around so it'll be easier to follow. So we're gonna go left foot, right foot, forward, side, together. Excellent. We're going to flip around for you guys. Leaders, are you ready? Here we go. We're going to go left foot, right foot, forward, side, together. Great job. Now we're going to move on to the followers. So followers, you're going to start with the right foot because you're going back. So we're going back with our right. 5 steps. Here we go. We're going to go right foot, left foot, back, side, together. One more time. Here we go. And right foot, left foot, back, side, together. Great job. We're going to turn around just so it'll be a little bit easier to follow. We're going to go right here and right foot, left foot, back, side, together. One more time. And right foot, left foot, back, side, together. So when we do the tango, it's super important that we keep our knees soft. And the reason why is because we're gonna be cruising through each step. The last thing we want is for us to kind of look like we're Frankenstein. Honestly, that's kind of how Frankenstein walks. If we look like Frankenstein, it's not gonna be easy, it's not gonna be fun to dance. Okay, we have to be kind of smoothing out the floor. And we're kind of like boom, boom, stalking through. So if we do it together, right, we're gonna just grab a practice hold. I'm gonna kind of face to the side so you guys can see. We're just gonna be gliding across the floor. Our knees are just gonna be soft. We're not locked. We're not super bent either. It's right, that sweet little middle that we're looking for. And again, leaders left, followers right. We're gonna go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay, one more time. We have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Great. Okay, so we got the steps. Now let's talk about the frame before moving on. So it's super important to have a 3-point connection. Now, again, if you've seen our previous videos, you definitely know what we're talking about. If this is your first video that you're bumping into, we'll go over it real quick. So, leaders, your left hand is gonna go to your follower's right hand, kind of like a little high five, boom. Now, your right hand is gonna wrap around your follower's back and kind of just cup underneath the shoulder blade. And then followers, your left arm is just gonna rest on top of the right arm. Now, if you are advanced and if you've done tango before, there's a specific hold where the thumb is kind of gonna go underneath. So it's kind of gonna be locked in. We're not gonna worry about that right now. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna lay it on top just so it'll be a little bit comfortable to move around. Okay, great. So what we're gonna do now is we're actually gonna jump into that basic step, but now we're gonna try it with our proper hold. Now, again, left to right, around the back, left on top of right. Perfect. Now, we're just gonna glide through, knees soft. We're going slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Excellent. We're gonna do that one more time. Here we go. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Great. Okay, we just did the tango basic in our 3-point connection. Let's move on to the next step. Now this step is called the tango basic rock. What are we rocking? Great question. We are gonna basically take the basic step and insert 2 rock steps in between. Okay, this is awesome for kind of giving you a chance to maneuver around the floor, depending where you're gonna be dancing, if it's gonna be at a wedding reception, at a social spot, your local dance studio, wherever. So now you kind of have a little bit of time to kind of create a buffer before moving on to the next step, just in case there's another couple in front of you or there's an object in front of you. Okay, so how do we do this tango rock? So again, let's remember that basic step, right? If we do it together, we have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, starting with the left leg. So slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Now, we have 2 rocks that we have to put in between this basic step. So, where do we put it? Great question. We're gonna put it after the first 2 slow walks. So we're gonna dance it together first, and then we're gonna separate to give you, to show what the leaders are doing and what the followers are doing. So together, this is what it's gonna look like. We have 2 slow walks, slow, slow. Now we're gonna start rocking. Leaders on your left leg, followers on your right. Quick, quick, slow. Now we're gonna do the same thing. Leaders on your right, followers on your left. Quick, quick, slow. And now we're gonna do the tango close. Quick, quick, slow. So as you can see, we did the basic step. There were 2 rocks in between. We're gonna separate. We're gonna start with the leader step. We're gonna both turn around and show you what we have to do. So, again, leaders, you start with your left leg forward, right? So we're gonna do the 2 first slow steps. So slow, slow. Now we're gonna take our left leg, we're gonna step forward and rock back. Quick, quick, slow. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the right leg. And quick, quick, slow. Now we're gonna do forward side together, just like in the basic. Quick, quick, slow. One more time, leaders. Slow, slow. Left leg, go. Quick, quick, slow. Right leg, go. Quick, quick, slow. Forward, side, together. Okay, followers, it's your turn. So we're gonna turn around and show you how you guys should do the tango rocks. Let's do it. Okay, followers, so you start with your right leg bag. The concept is exactly the same as the leaders, it's just flipped. So we're starting with our right leg bag. We're gonna go slow, left leg back, slow. Now we're gonna take our right leg back and rock forward. Quick, quick, slow. Left leg back, rock. Quick, quick, slow, backside together. Quick, quick, slow. Followers, one more time. All right, followers, here we go. Right leg back, slow, left leg back, slow, rock. Quick, quick, slow, step, rock. Quick, quick, slow, backside together. Quick, quick, slow. Okay, guys, so we did the tango basic rocks. We're gonna try them together, just the rocks, and then we're gonna blend them in with the tango basic and have our little routine. Let's do it. Okay, guys, here we go. Just the rocks. Leaders left leg forward, followers right leg back. Here we go. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Okay, let's try it with the tango basic. We're gonna blend these 2 steps together and see what that looks like, and then we're gonna try it to music. Here we go. All right, here we go. Starting with the tango basic. We go slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now we're gonna go into the tango rock. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, tango close. Here we go to music, starting with the tango basic. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Okay, guys, this brings us to the end of our intro to tango. So, if you did like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and tell me what you guys want to learn next. Thanks so much for joining. We're Zienna Studio.